With the Microsoft Office 365 Outlook web app, you can share your Outlook calendars with specific individuals or make them available for public viewing. To share a calendar with specific individuals, click the Share button at the top right of the calendar view. You can also select Share Calendar from the submenu of a calendar that you own. Under Share With, enter the name or email address of the individual. If the Outlook web app automatically recognizes the name or address you are typing, it will display matching entries. Click the correct name to add it to your share list. You can also choose Search Contacts and Directory to find matching names in the campus directory if they do not automatically appear in the list. Repeat this process to add more individuals to the share list. People with UW-Madison related addresses will appear under Inside Organization, and all others will appear under Outside Organization. To the right of each name, select the level of access that you want to grant each person. The first three choices allow for read-only access and are available for individuals both inside and outside the UW-Madison organization. Availability Only displays only your free or busy schedule information. Limited Details displays the free busy information and the subject and location of events. Full Details displays all information for all events in the calendar, including the title, location, attendees, and the event description. When choosing any of these three options, calendar events that you have marked as private are always protected. Only the times of private events will be displayed, and not the subject, location, or other details. The remaining two access choices provide permission for others to write to or modify the calendar. These are available only for individuals within the UW-Madison organization. Editor allows the person to read, create, and modify events in the calendar, except those events that have been marked as private. Delegate provides permissions to read, create, and modify events, and also allows the person to receive and respond to meeting requests and invitations from others on your behalf. You can choose to allow delegates to view details of your private appointments. Names can be removed from the list by clicking the X near each permission setting. To customize the subject of the sharing notification message, enter a new subject text. Choose which of your calendars you would like to share from the drop-down list in the Calendar field. Most people share their default calendar, which is simply titled Calendar. When finished, click Send. Clicking Discard will cancel the sharing invitation. Each person on the share list will receive an email notification that you've shared your calendar. People at UW-Madison will have two links available in the invitation. Add Calendar will add your shared calendar to their calendar view. Share My Calendar Back allows the recipient to easily share their calendar with you. Calendars that you add to your Outlook web app calendar view will appear under Other Calendars. Recipients without UW-Madison addresses will receive a message containing a link that they can use to view your calendar online in a web browser, and also a link for subscribing to your calendar using an email program such as Microsoft Outlook. Your calendars can also be shared for general public viewing by anyone. Some common uses for a public view of a calendar include the following: posting a link for a public calendar on a website to easily share it with site visitors, or including a public calendar view link in a mass email to quickly share a calendar with a large group. Be aware that the URL for a public calendar view is not protected, and that anyone with access to the sharing link will be able to view the calendar. If you want to restrict a calendar view to specific individuals, you should manually set the access for each individual as described in the previous section of this video. To set the access level for the public view of a calendar, open the submenu of the calendar, then choose Permissions. Next to Public Calendar in the Outside Organization section, use the drop-down list to set the public access level. You can choose one of the 3 read-only access levels, Availability Only, Limited Details, or Full Details, or choose Not Shared to completely prevent public viewing of the calendar. You cannot assign any write or modify permissions to a public calendar view. To share the public view of the calendar with others, there are 2 options. The View Calendar link allows public users to view the calendar using a web browser. The Subscribe to Calendar link allows public users to subscribe to the calendar using a web-based or local email client, such as Microsoft Outlook. To share either of these links, open the submenu from View Calendar or Subscribe to Calendar and select Copy Shortcut or Copy Link Location. You can then paste the copied URL into an email message addressed to your public viewers or include the link on a public website. Select Save to save your choice, or select Discard to cancel your changes. Another option available in the Calendar Permissions window controls a global setting for all delegates that you've assigned to the calendar. In the Global Delegate Options section, you can select the following options. Delegate Only, Send Me Notifications. Both you and the delegate will receive meeting requests sent to you, but only the delegate can respond to the requests. Delegate Only. Only the delegate receives and can respond to meeting requests and invitations on your behalf. Both Delegate and Me. Both you and the delegate will receive and can respond to meeting requests and invitations. Select Save to save your choice, or select Discard to cancel your changes.